Welcome to another Knife Maker's Short. Today we're going to be discussing what a Granton edge is. While shopping for kitchen knives, you may have noticed some knives with small divots cut in along the length of the blade. A blade with these scallops is said to have a Granton edge. You can think of a Granton edge as a series of fullers spaced evenly down the blade, but kept close to the cutting edge. These scallops can be located in identical locations on either side of the blade, or slightly offset. Aside from the benefits enjoyed from more standard fullers, the Granton edge helps prevent food from sticking to the knife. A Granton edge introduces air gaps in between the blade and the medium being cut. This reduces the friction during cutting, and it reduces the surface area for food to stick to. This is very helpful for foods with a lot of moisture, such as meats. The result is that a Granton edge can help obtain cleaner cuts without tearing thinner, more delicate slices, as well as keep your blade cleaner and let those pesky foods like onions or potatoes release from your blade. So, is a Granton edge worth it? Maybe. There are many knives out there without a Granton edge that perform extremely well, and a bad knife with a Granton edge is unfortunately still a bad knife. Focus on getting an excellent knife and look at a Granton edge as a bonus. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any other questions about knives, leave them in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay safe and keep living the knife life.